Can I use vitamin E to replace my preservative? The answer is no. Vitamin E is not a preservative, it is an antioxidant. So what is vitamin E used for? Vitamin E is used in an oil-based product as an antioxidant to prevent the rancidity of your oils, because your oils can go bad. Even if they don't include water, they can go bad. So that's what vitamin E is used for. It is not used in place of a preservative. So if you are making a product that actually contains water, then you need a preservative. Right. So you can watch my video on preservatives where I shared some things about preservative mistakes to learn more about preservative. And if you're making a product that is oil based, that does not contain water, that is what vitamin E is used for as an antioxidant. And there are still some products that are oil based that you might still need to add an oil soluble preservative, but vitamin E is mainly an antioxidant. So it does not and cannot take the place of preservative in your product. Make sure you keep this in mind when you're formulating your product. So I'm working on a 30 days challenge. I've posted some videos earlier and I'm still posting more videos. Check my page for the previous videos and follow my page if you don't want to miss out on my tips. See you in my next video. Bye.